Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Cafe. Guys, with yours truly Ananya Jois, an expert interior design guide on all things home interior. We're creating a space for your little one to play and grow can and should be a fun experience. That said, it can also be a challenging one. After all, creating a beautiful functional room that your kid is going to love today and years to come can be a pretty tall order. Need a little advice? On today's guide on how to design your kids' bedroom, we've got it all covered. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Keep it simple. When you're doing your kids' bedroom, the mantra should always be less is more. When the decor is simple and the furnishing is minimal, you're making sure that there's lots of floor space for the kids to play, and you're also creating a blank canvas or a neutral canvas rather, which can easily be updated as and when your kids grow and their interests change over time. Design a kid-friendly space. Want to turn any bedroom into a kid-friendly bedroom? Well, imagine yourself to be 3 feet tall. By putting yourself into your little one's shoe, you know exactly what they need. In this wardrobe that you see, the shutters are cut in the middle. This is to make sure that the kid can easily access the hangers, accessories and drawers without the help of any adult. Focus on play. To create a room that your little one will really love, try focusing on the one thing they like doing all the time, play. Now here are a few ways in which you can make your kids' bedroom a lot more fun and interesting. One could be an easy way of turning any wall into a chalkboard wall by adding some chalkboard paint. Another could be an easy to upgrade art gallery. Now your kiddo can display all their latest creations on this wall. Another fun element could be a slide next to your bunk bed or even a ladder that we've added here. You could also add a temporary tent in any of the corner or even some cargo net. All of these are great options. Make room for some magic. Now, even if you add some glow-in-the-dark ceiling stars or even fairy lights, you can create a galaxy of adventure or a fairy palace out of these simple things. So go ahead, add something magical and enchanting to your kids' bedroom. In this kid's bedroom, we've added this really cool false ceiling which looks like the keys of the piano. Hit like if you think it's super creative. Make the most of your kids' room space. Now whether you have a small room or a large room, making the most of the space available is of utmost importance. Did you know that this room that we are here at the moment can accommodate 3 kids at a time? Well, I'll show you how. By putting up this bunker bed on top, we've created enough space for a study along with lots of storage where all the books and toys can go in. This way, we've made sure that there's more floor space for kids to play. Now on this side, within the wardrobe, we've cleverly hidden a pull-out table. Now here, another kid can comfortably study even when the other study space is being used. Now when it comes to sleeping, apart from the bunk bed and the bed that we have on the floor here, we also have a trundle bed which is a pull down bed which is below this bed. If there is a sleepover for your kids or also any sort of guest, this can be pulled out and used without compromising on floor space during other days. Double up on storage. From their toys, books to their ever-changing wardrobe, there's never enough storage when it comes to kids' bedroom. Now, how do we increase and double up the storage in a kid's bedroom? Well, this is a challenge by itself. We can start by adding hooks on the wall, adding additional storage below the beds, or even wall-clad bookshelves like the one that you see here, which can also fit in decor elements. You can additionally add some hidden storage underneath your table or even as a part of your wardrobe. All of these are great space-saving hacks which will give you that extra storage required for a kid's bedroom. Play with colors. Kids love colors but choosing the right color can be quite tricky. Now this cheery, bright kids' bedroom done in yellow is giving us the perfect compromise, and I'll tell you how. If you've already noticed, all of the fixed furniture like the wardrobe, the bed, the table, etc. are done in adult-like shades, maybe in wood or rusty grey and more. The only kid-like thing here would be the wallpaper on the wall. So as and when your kid grows, all you need to do is change up your wallpaper and you're good to go, keeping little hands and minds busy. Now if you have the space for it, having a dedicated kid-friendly workspace like this is a must. Now having a space to color and create for your kid is not just to keep them busy, but this also helps in their physical and mental development. Now a dedicated space like this can also be great when they're older, for them to have a quiet space to sit and do their homework or study. Whether you're starting from scratch or hoping to improve upon an existing space, I'm sure you found a healthy dose of inspiration from this entire guide. Now that you know your child's current wants and future needs, I'm sure you have everything you need to strike that all-important balance between practical and downright adorable. So have fun designing your kids' bedroom, and you can also get in touch with our expert interior designers. All you need to do is click on the link in the description box below. Until next time, take care. See you all.